Since 1922, Loba has been focused on creating industry-leading flooring solutions. Loba continues that tradition by redefining what flooring stains should be. Today, we're diving into trusted techniques for applying Loba stains to ensure your floors look their absolute best. Meet Tyler Myatt, our Loba Application Specialist, who will guide us through the steps of achieving that perfect, even color on your floors. Let's get started.
Applying stains shouldn't be daunting. It's an opportunity to bring out the richness and depth of your hardwood floors. We'll go over two methods today, rag on, rag off, and buffer applied. We'll also discuss how to fix the common issues of bleed back. First up, rag on, rag off. Simply saturate your rag with stain and apply liberally. You want to really allow the wood to soak up the color while working in manageable sections. Once applied, take a clean rag and work off the excess stain. This method ensures a controlled and even application. Moving on to buffer application. Grab your Loba normal pad white, then using your buffer, evenly apply the stain across the floor. If too much stain has been applied, take a clean pad or rag on the buffer to remove the excess stain.
Buffing allows you to work from an upright position and faster. Coverage is key. You can expect to cover approximately 150 to 250 square feet per quart, depending on the wood species and the openness of the grain.
If you notice bleed back or the stain resurfaces from the gaps, don't worry. With a saturated stain rag, rub the affected areas lightly until it's even. Then let it dry thoroughly before you coat, and you'll have a flawless finish. Now, let's talk technical. Loba stains have a 1-hour dry time across all mixable colors. Our unique formulation guarantees perfect adhesion with Loba water-based finishes. It's designed for easy application and touch-ups without the worry of lap marks or double staining. Plus, it has low VOC emissions. Staining with Loba products is not just about protection. It's about enhancing your space with consistent and long-lasting color. The process is straightforward, and the results, simply beautiful.
Thank you for watching. Find out more about our range of products and application tips at www.loba-backel.com. Follow us for more tutorials and insights.